We're gonna find the gold that illuminates our lives.